What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Mr. Legit. We are in my garage today and we are going to show you guys the Bostitch RN46, the outsides, the features, all about it. So let's get into the video, guys. All right, guys, I'm super excited to get into my gun and show you guys about this Bostitch. We do have 3 of them over here. Let's go and break down some of the key features. All right, let's get into the specifications of this Bostitch. So the first thing that you will notice is it is a pneumatic nailer. It is not electric. The operating pressure is between 70 and 120 PSI. The weight of the gun is 3.9 pounds. Now, this does take nails. It's a 15-degree angle. The nails go as low as 3/4 inch all the way up to 1.25 inches. The height of this gun is 10.5 inches and the width of it is 4.625 inches. If you guys don't know, I've been in the roofing industry for about 18 years, since 2001, and ever since I can remember, this roofing nail has been out. It is the RN46, the magnesium. Before this, they did have an old dinosaur Bostitch now, and it was called the Ridge Runner, if I remember right. If I'm not, let me know in the comments. But the magnesium is something that I've been using ever since I was 18, 19 years old. It's no mystery that I am a fan of the Bostitch. Got the Bostitch on my arm. So let me show you guys why I like it. So first of all, the skid guards and the wear features on it. They do have this right here. These little skid guards are so it doesn't slide off the roof, A, and B, you could see this little wear marks. If they didn't have these skid guards, this whole gun would just be obliterated, because this is a plastic housing that you keep the nails in, which I'm not really too much of a fan. However, for the weight, I would rather buy 3 guns than slow down my projects. The faster we get the projects done, the happier the customers are. All right, let's talk about the gauge. Now, this gauge is an automatic. You just pull it back and set it and you're done, ready to go. There's a lot of different kind of shingle, and the manufacturers from the shingles do have different reveals. So this can easily adjust your reveal, whether it's a shingle or ridge cap. This makes it super quick to adjust. Now, what I like about it is the speed. Some of the other guns, manufacturers, you have to put in an Allen wrench to untighten it and to adjust it, and it just, by the time you're reaching in your pocket to grab the Allen wrench, I'm already ready to go. Now, also what'll happen is when they use the Allen wrench, that little bolt on the Allen wrench sometimes wears down too from the shingle sliding it. Then you can't even get it out. So it's a pain in the neck. This just makes it so quick. Good job, Bostitch, on this one. Now, another cool feature that I absolutely love is the side load, the patented side load single action loader, right? So you load your ammo. I like to say ammo. These are basically my bullets. So you load it with 1 clip. Some of them are a dual action. You open it up in the front and then this goes back. This is just a single action loader, which saves a ton of time, a ton of frustration, because sometimes those things get gooped up with granules and you can't close it. So this one it's just simple. Simple, the better. Sometimes less is more in this case. Let's talk about the grip. Your hand is on this thing all day long. This gun has seen a lot of wear and this grip is still intact. That's what I love about these guns, is it's just comfortability, the weight. If you feel this, you could basically just rest on it. I mean, it's evenly weighted. It just feels so good in the hand and it makes for a nice, smooth install. So some of the downside to this gun is the wear. We are working with shingles and it goes awfully quick. However, if you look real close at the nose of this, you can see the carbine tip is still on this one. This one, it's gone. When it goes quick. Same exact thing with these. Once these go, there's supposed to be one right here. Well, you can see what happens when they go. Look at that. That's just basically paper thin and it's gone. When those go, the gun basically goes. Another downside to it is there is a couple of these pins, and when you lose a O-ring on the pins, this pin pops out and it's a booger to get this back in. A pro tip, if that does happen and you're in a field, you could take a rubber band and actually wrap it around those. So if you're in the field and that pops out, make sure to grab it and take a rubber band from the coil nails and tie it around there. So my final thoughts on this gun is it is amazing. I love it. Thank you, Bostitch, for giving me 18 years of service. We have used it every single day. I wish that, you know, it could be built a little bit sturdier. However, I'll take speed all day long over how good it's built. But pairing it up to other guns, the other guns wear just as fast. So if you guys liked what you saw today, consider hitting the subscribe button and ring that bell for notifications. If you guys have any questions or your thoughts, please leave them below in the comments. I'll make sure to get back to you. Have a good day, guys. We'll see you guys on the next one. Obviously, it's no fan, or it's. All right, now let's go over some specifications for this phone. All right, guys, I'm super excited to get into these Bostitch. These roofing nailers, we're gonna get into all these like the Wild Wild West. All right, guys, thanks a lot for coming back. I am super excited to get into these guns. These are my favorite guns. Let's go ahead and get into the video, guys. How you guys doing down there in the Wild Wild West? Let's go ahead and get into some of these roofing nailers for you. Let's get into some key features. All right, guys, let's hurry up and get into this gun. We don't have no time, so you guys sit back and enjoy this. Whatever, I'm just gonna say, I don't know. You take this, I'm gonna grab this gun. Whoops.